here from Plaid, and I want to show you everything that you get in this amazing do-it-yourself Mod Podge resin kit that we've put together for you. So whether you are brand new to resin or you have poured resin before, this is a great kit to have. In this kit, you're going to receive 2 4-ounce bottles of our 2-part resin system, 2 bottles of alcohol ink, and this kit has a black and a beautiful metallic gold. You're going to get 2 of our smaller measuring cups, 3 of our larger 8-ounce mixing cups. You're also going to get stir sticks, 4 different packs of glitters. We've got black, gold, and copper, and there's actually 3 different sizes of glitters that come in this kit, which makes it really fun to make all different types of projects. You're also going to get our geode silicone mold. So this is what you can create using this mold. So you can see we've used the black and the gold alcohol inks and some glitters to accent. So this is great for home decor or even making a coaster. In addition to the geodes that you can create with the silicone mold that comes in the kit, you can use the resin, alcohol inks, and glitters to create so many more projects. For example, we make these great wood coaster surfaces that actually have a cutout that you can pour the resin right into. So this is another great look for the geode trend. You can also use the product to create jewelry, cutting boards, or additional home decor pieces. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com/modpodgeresin.
If you end up making any of our projects, we'd love to see them. Be sure to tag them using the hashtag PlaidCrafts. Bye guys.